Hi guys, in this video we'll learn how you can uninstall DaVinci Resolve completely from your computer. It's quite easy. Firstly, here in the search bar we need to type control panel. So this is the one, click on that. Now here you'll see the option uninstall a program, so click on that, and just right here on the screen you'll able to see all of the installed programs of your computer. We need to search for DaVinci Resolve, so you can just search here DaVinci as well. So this is the one here, so click on that, hit right click on uninstall. Let's click on yes, and yeah, at this point you can see that DaVinci Resolve is successfully uninstalling. So wait for a couple of seconds here. Alright, DaVinci Resolve is uninstalled. Now here you can uninstall DaVinci Resolve other tools, like here I have DaVinci Resolve control panel, so I can uninstall that too. Click on that, hit right click and just click on uninstall, click on yes. Now we have successfully uninstalled DaVinci Resolve and its other tools. So there is nothing by the name of DaVinci Resolve here. It means that DaVinci Resolve is successfully removed from our computer, and that's the best way to uninstall DaVinci Resolve completely. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.